Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram. IIM Rohtak has launched a new course, that is their 5-year law course, that is their BA LLB course, and we're going to talk about it in detail. We're going to talk about the course, we're going to talk about the fees, we're going to talk about the eligibility criteria, and we are also going to discuss in detail that should you consider taking admission in IIM Rohtak Law Course or not. Chaliye, let's get into this video. About the course, it is very important to read about the course because it is number one, a new course that has been launched, and to take the decision that if you should apply or not is one that you should take after taking into consideration the information that I'm telling you, right? So IIM Rohtak 5-year integrated program in law that they're calling IPL for students after class 12. The interdisciplinary program aims to provide in-depth knowledge of business management with intricate details of law and governance. On successful completion of the academic rigor of 5 years, the participant will be awarded integrated degree of BBA LLB. There shall be no lateral entry on plea of graduation in any subject or exit by way of awarding a degree splitting the integrated program at any intermediary stage of the program. What they're trying to say is that ye nahi hoga that you get direct admission in LLB, or ye bhi nahi hoga that for example, or in reality only you will be doing BBA LLB if you go for this institute. It's not that if when you complete your BBA you cannot ask them that okay, give me the degree of BBA and let me go. No, you have to complete the entire program and then only you will be getting a degree of BBA LLB, right? Because some of the colleges, they do like this also. They allow you to leave after 3 years by giving you a BA degree or BBA or whatever, right? It will be a non-residential program at IIM Rohtak Extension Campus, Gurugram. Gurugram. It is at Gurugram that your classes are going to take place. Extension a campus of IIM Rohtak, right? So this is one important point that you need to take into consideration, because everyone is saying IIM Rohtak, but actually Gurugram is Gurgaon near Delhi. So Gurugram is not only an IT hub, it has also a lot of legal opportunities. Legal opportunities means law related opportunities, right? So program structure and curriculum. Overall, the program consists of 15 terms spread over a period of 5 years. A year has 3 terms, so they have 3 terms in 1 year. Okay, each of 3 months duration, the entire program consists of courses in business management and legal education. Students will be undergoing several internships and moot court exercises during the course of the program. So they are saying that okay, BBA hoga obviously, and they're also telling that there would be extracurricular activities. We can believe them because IIM hai, they have a reputation. Telling that if you study legal education from here, you will have opportunities in international law, arbitration law, competition law, corporate governance, and domestic law. So everything of that sort. And even students will also undergo courses from the domain of business management, international affairs, humanities, public policy, foreign languages. So they are telling you that it's just not law, which law as in field that is open for you. There are other fields also that are going to open up, right? That is there if you go for BBA LLB, BCom LLB. Obviously there are other fields also that open up for you, right? So that is about the course, and the takeaway from here is that the course is going to happen, the classes are going to take place in Gurgaon, right? Eligibility criteria dekh lete hain. So eligibility criteria, you need 60%. If you belong to journal category, you need 60% in 10th and your 12th standard. So 10th and 12th you need to have minimum of 60%, right? If you're SC, ST, PW category candidate, then 55% in 10th and 12th, right? And maximum age for both categories is 20 years. Please make a note of it, because age limit 20 years of age as on July 31st 2021. So 20 years is the bar, so you need to make a note of that, right? Selection procedure. Now, another very important thing is the selection procedure, because it is really different than other institutes. So online registration has begun already. So registration opened on 16th March 2021. It will close on 31st May 2021. So please make a note of that. And the eligible applicants will pay non-refundable fee of rupees 3,890. Students for the admission to the program will be shortlisted on the basis of CLAT examination. On the basis of CLAT examination. It is on the basis of CLAT examination, right? So you have to fill the form, you have to give your CLAT exam, and then you have to fill this form separately, right? And interested applicants who will fill the above mentioned eligibility criteria will fill the registration form that aims at evaluating applicants' proficiency in academics as well as extracurricular activities, right? So it is on the basis of CLAT that the admission is going to take place. They do not have any entrance exam of their own, right? But then there is next step. Let's see. So stage 2 is shortlisting and online personal interview. So they are going to take a PI, personal interview is going to happen. The shortlisted applicants will be called for the online personal interview on the basis of past academics and CLAT score of 2021, right? So past academics would be taken into consideration plus your CLAT score, plus CLAT score, and you will be invited for interview. The announcement of call for online personal interview will be done on 3rd week of July 2020 tentative. After the result of CLAT, obviously the candidates during their personal interview will be evaluated on the basis of their academics, general awareness and communication skills. Okay, so this is a point that you should note, very important. That is it is your academics, your communication skills and general awareness. Interviews are proposed to be held in the first week of August 2021. Now, if you want to know how to prepare for an interview, I've already done a video for Pune Symbiosis for Symbiosis in general, so you can watch that video. Now, step 4 is after the interview, announcement of selection list and offer acceptance. The final merit list will be generated based on the composite score as mentioned below. 45% CLAT marks will be taken into consideration. Personal interview 15%, past academics, that is 10th and 12th marks 40%. Let's talk about the important dates. So the online application opens on 16th March 2021. Last date is 31st May 2021. CLAT examination happens on 13th June 2021, and you can pause the video and check the other dates. Fees. Now, number one thing that you before you decide that you have to fill the form for this institute is you need to take into consideration the fees, because it is too high. I remember everyone talking about Jindal Law School, OP Jindal Law School, because the fees is high, but here the fees is too high and it is a non-residential program, right? So you have to add on your living expenses, wherein you get a room for yourself or anything. So first year you are going to pay 6,50,000, second year you pay 7 lakh, third year you pay 7,50,000, fourth year you pay 8,02,000, fifth year you pay 8,60,000, right? And then there is a little more fees related to your study material, security deposit, computer deposit, placement facility charges, alumni membership or support charges, library deposit, and then the total is here, right? So guys, the fees is pretty high, right? Let's compare the fees with other institutes. Jindal Global Law School is known for high fees, right? Known for high fees, so that is the fees. And I've taken BA LLB honors program into consideration, and it is 6 lakhs yearly. 6 lakhs yearly fees hai, jabki if we take into consideration IIM Rohtak's fees, it is too high. And here, Jindal Global Law School is a school wherein they guarantee success. You can say if you are a student who works hard, who puts in a lot of effort, or even a normal effort, you do something in your life, right? So कहीं ना कहीं श्योरिटी है हमें कि हाँ, अगर if you are paying so much, if our parents are paying so much, we will get something in return, right? So fees is something that you need to consider. I mean, not every parent can afford it, and it's fine. I mean, we should consider it because it's again an investment. And since it's a new law school, we don't really know what is going to happen, how are things going to roll. Yes, they know how to groom students and everything, but the fees is too high. We consider the fees of NLUs. If we take the fees of NLS into consideration, that is Bangalore NLU Bangalore, so it is one-time admission fees 7,875, tuition and facilities fee is 1,91,850. I mean, if you do the total fees is, it's like 2,75,100 per annum, and I think it includes the hostel residential charges also. There the hostel residential charges are not included, right? So अब if we take into consideration Symbiosis Law School Pune का fees, it is 1,80,750 first installment, 1,80,750 the second installment. If we do the total, again the fees is less than what IIM Rohtak is charging. See the advantages and disadvantages. One of the advantages is the location. It's in Gurgaon, and Gurgaon is a a place which has a lot of companies because of the IT thing, and then there are a lot of opportunities that are available, easy internships and everything of that sort. Can expect that they will have a good faculty. We can expect that they know how to do things because it's an IIM, and we can expect good things from them. And again, if you are sitting in a good city, if the institute is in a city like that of Gurgaon, there are a lot of good faculty options available. We see the disadvantages. Number one disadvantage is that the fees is too much. It is too much. I mean, if you see the total, please for a while note it down. Like, it's so much. I mean, and we cannot, they cannot, one cannot vouch for them that okay fine, if it's an IIM and they're going to do great. No, we need to wait and we need to look, because it's a huge investment. I mean, if you are doing law from this university, I mean, you might be spending around 50 lakhs, because then there are other expenses and everything. 50 नहीं तो 50 अगर ज़्यादा बोल रही हो तो कहीं ना कहीं 45 to 50 lakhs. It's a huge investment, huge. And remember, companies do not give placements, do not select you because you are from a particular institute, right? They select you obviously if you're from a particular institute which is very good, say XYZ institute which is known, companies would come to the institute and they'll pick up different students, select you on the basis of who you are as an individual, what skills do you have, right? Obviously the institute gives you the opportunities, but here we do not know what kind of opportunities you will be getting. Maybe it does really well, but the fees is too high. Like, it's too high. You cannot expect a company coming to your college just because you are paying so much of fees so they'll know that you're good. No, you also need to have the ability, number one, and number two, should wait for at least 1 or 2 years to see how the institute is. I mean, you need to wait. I mean, because the fees is too high, the investment is too high. So I remember when Narsi launched the course, I was so happy because we know about the institute, like they are doing really well with the other programs, and same as with IIM Rohtak also. But the fees is too high, the investment is too high. I always say that when you choose an institute, you should always take into consideration the fees, right? Because the investment is too high. I mean, after this, like, if you belong to middle class, I think your parents can tell you that okay fine, if you're going for this, that's it from our end. Like, you cannot say that I want to go for masters, or I want to do this or that. You need to earn after this and do it for yourself, and they're right also, because they're investing so much in you. So I think you should think 100 times before you take admission in any institute, not only this institute. But yes, the fees is too high. Like, it's, OP General को बोलते थे कि यार इतनी fees है, but then they are giving results also, right? So we cannot trust the institute just because it has IIM in front as its name. ठीक है ना? So that is what we need to take care of, right? So again, I'll say that you should go for this institute if you're comfortable with the fees. Otherwise you should not, because right now we cannot really know that how the institute is going to do, right? ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करेगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करना. एंड अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, एंड आप चाहो तो आप मेरे को मैसेज भी कर सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे. कमेंट्स में अगर पूछोगे कुछ तो आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू रिप्लाई. या दैट्स इट, साइनिंग ऑफ. चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IIM लॉगिरी के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।